Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me on another episode of PriMath Zoom. In this lesson, we will be learning about the parts of a circle. So let's dive right in. What do you know about the circle? Well, we know that it is a closed, round, two-dimensional shape, like this. Right. Now, there are different parts to the circle, and we would just like to list them. We have the circumference, we have the radius, the diameter, the chord, the arc, the sector, and the segment. So, let us talk about these individually. The circumference. This is the total length of or distance along the boundaries of the circle. And here is an example. So you would realize this blue part would represent the circumference. We now have the radius. And this is the straight line distance from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference. So here is our circle, and this would be our radius. You would notice that the radius has one end in the middle, which is the exact middle or center of the circle, and the other point touching the circumference. We have the diameter, and this is the line segment that runs across the center of the circle and touches 2 points of the circumference. For example, this is the circle, and this would be the diameter. Note that the diameter runs directly from the center and touch 2 parts or 2 points of the circumference. We have the chord. The chord is the line segment that joins any 2 points on the circumference of the circle, like this. Right, that little blue line there represents a chord. That is also a chord, but you must note that the diameter is the longest chord. Yes, the diameter is also a chord because it joins any 2 points on the circumference. We now have the arc. This is a part of the circumference. Like, for example, take this circle. That little green line is an arc. It runs along the circumference, just a part of the circumference. But this here also is an arc, even though it's a longer distance. It is also called an arc. This is a segment, and it is the region between a chord of a circle and its arc. For example, here is the circle, and here is the chord. Now, the region between the chord and its arc would be this. And this region here is called the segment. And here we have the sector. This is the area between two radii in a circle. Now, radii is the plural form for radius. And here is our circle. Those are our radii. And the shaded part is the sector. It is similar to like a slice of a pizza. Thank you for sharing with me today. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.